going on, guys? XSR Detroit here. Yesterday I came out to start up my Honda CRF300L and yeah, it's dead. I'm not sure what happened. I had it plugged into a tender all winter. I actually think that tender has gone bad because I did have some battery issues on my XSR last year. I've had that tender since I bought my first motorcycle, which was 15 years ago. So got rid of that, new tender, but that doesn't change the fact that my battery is toast, so I need to replace it. So today I will be showing you guys how to swap a battery on a Honda CRF300L. Gonna start out by taking the seat off. We've got two 6mm bolts. Now that I've got the seat off, we can start taking off the plastics. I've got a push pin right here that we're gonna remove. So go ahead and just pop that and try not to drop it in the bike, which I've done like 100 times. Hey, not today though. I'm gonna start out by removing this trim piece here. We've got a 5mm Allen fastener. Go ahead and just pull that off. We've also got a 5mm fastener up here on the other plastics. I'm not gonna remove this entire side of the plastics off. I think we're just gonna loosen it up because it should give us enough room. Yeah, I think that'll be just fine. Here I have my very dead battery. I'm gonna start out by removing this retention strap. There is a 5mm bolt right at the bottom here. It's a little easier to get to if you move the peg. And oh wow, that was easy. I've actually read a couple forum posts that these were like seized on, so just be a little careful. Mine busted loose pretty easy, but I've seen some horror stories of people stripping these out and turning a simple job into a very complicated job. I used the battery strap to kind of prop up the plastics to get it out of the way. What we're gonna be doing now is disconnecting the battery. Of course, we have our negative terminal and our positive terminal. My battery does have a tender on it. Yours probably does too. But if you don't have one, this is a good opportunity while you're installing the new battery to put one on. It's really nice to have. Yeah, I'm just gonna go side to side. All right, check it out. Pretty small battery, but I guess I'm not surprised. It's a small bike. Got my new battery. Let's get this slid in. I know the strap's gonna get in the way a little bit. I'll kind of aim it down. There we go, perfect. And we'll start out with the negative terminal. All right, easy enough. Next up, we have the positive terminal. There we go. Nice and easy. Before I put the bike back together, I'm gonna fire it up and make sure the battery is good to go. That sounds a lot better right off the rip. Yeah, all right. All right, we are good to wrap this up. I'm gonna take the battery strap. Go ahead and put that back down. Got my 5mm Allen fastener. Just gonna get that in there. Gently tighten it up because I'm not trying to end up like those people with the stripped ones. There we go, that is plenty. Go ahead and fasten your plastics back up. Don't forget your push pin up top. Go ahead, pop your seat back on. That's gonna do it for this video, guys. I know something like this seems kind of obvious to a lot of people, especially if you've been like into motorcycles for a while, but a lot of people that buy these CRF300Ls are brand new to motorcycling. So even though swapping a battery is pretty simple and straightforward, I still wanted to make this video for the people that are, you know, starting to kind of dip their toes into wrenching on their own bikes. Maybe it's a little intimidating for them. This is something you can knock out 10 minutes in your garage. It's no big deal. And I encourage you guys, as always, to work on your own bikes, learn about these bikes or any bike that you have, and do some of your own maintenance. I mean, some stuff, yeah, it's a little complicated, but basic stuff like this, you really should be doing yourself. But thank you guys for watching. As always, ride fast, ride naked, wear your helmet, and I'll see you in the next video.